San Diego homeowners, if you bought a home within the last year, you are likely getting a surprise bill. And that is the supplemental tax bill, which is the green bill you're going to get from the tax collector. Now let's talk about the supplemental tax bill so you know exactly what to expect. When you buy a property, the county checks to see how much it's worth today. If it's worth more than before, then that's when the city will send you a bill to make up the difference in property taxes. Think of it like this: if you purchase a home for more than what it was previously worth with the previous owner, you pay a little bit more in taxes this year. This green bill is extra. It is not the blue bill that includes all of your normal property taxes. That one is usually sent to your loan servicer directly so they can pay your property taxes on your behalf. How do they figure out what you exactly owe on your supplemental tax bill? Well, let me break it down. First, they look at how much the home is worth today compared to what it used to be worth or valued at with the previous homeowner. Let's say you bought the home for $700,000 and it was previously valued at $600,000. The city is going to take that $100,000 difference, multiply it by a tax rate of, let's say, 1%, and that is the tax that you are going to pay. But rest assured, you are not going to pay more than what you owe. So for example, if you purchased in October and the supplemental tax bill is due in July, you are only going to pay for 9 out of the 12 months that are due. Rest assured, you are not paying more property taxes or the previous owner's property taxes by any means. So what do you do when you get the actual supplemental tax bill in the mail? You'll get it in the mail usually a couple months later and sometimes up to a year, but definitely make sure you pay it on time so that you do not incur any late fees. No one likes paying late fees. If for some reason you think that the tax bill is incorrect or you want to double check their online portal, go to sdttc.com, and it's a super intuitive website where you can type in either your parcel number or your property address, and they will have a detailed invoice of what you owe. Now, I highly recommend, and we do this for all of our clients, to ask your realtor or your lender at closing to give you an estimated breakdown of exactly how much you might owe for your supplemental tax bill. There's a calculation that we can talk about to make sure that you have a good idea of what that surprise bill is going to entail. If you have any questions about purchasing a home here in San Diego, send us a message, give us a call, or send us a text, and we'd be happy to help.